Welcome back to Kingdom Self Business Channel, where we empower you to be the best and dominate in your unique business. David Babs Ajibade here, your host. Today we're embarking on a journey to the heart of what it means to truly live, being purpose-driven. If you're searching for more meaning, direction, and fulfillment in life, you've clicked on the right video. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets to living with intention and making every moment count. In today's video, we will give you some nuggets for success towards abundance this year, titled Simple Strategies to Uncover Your Purpose. Exploring the meaning of purpose. What is purpose? Purpose is the original intent of God for creating an individual. The concept of purpose is multifaceted and deeply personal, yet universally it speaks to the intrinsic motivation that gives life direction and meaning. It is the driving force behind actions and decisions, and the underlying intention that provides a sense of fulfillment. It's the why behind actions, the internal compass that directs behavior towards fulfilling objectives that are personally rewarding. It's the why you have all the gifts and blessings, your uniqueness, your personalities, your circumstances in the past, present, and future. Uniqueness of purpose. Purpose is unique to every person. What gives one person a sense of purpose may not resonate with another. It's as unique as the fingerprint or DNA, encompassing one's passions, strengths, beliefs, talents, and values. Life meaning. Purpose is what gives life meaning. It is the significance placed on the things we do and the way we live our lives. It is the difference between merely existing and truly living. Importance of purpose. There are numerous benefits of purpose. You can avail yourself of our series called Benefits of Living with Purpose, where we gave at least 60 of those benefits. Just to remind us why purpose is essential, I will run through a few of those benefits. Direction and focus. Having a clear sense of purpose provides direction and focus. It helps people set goals and prioritize actions that align with their deepest values. View purpose as your GPS of life. You already have a desired destination. Then you drive your actions towards this destination. You may detour sometimes due to external obstacles or internal distractions. What are referred to as internal distractions are the way we respond to external stimuli. We have a choice to choose to remind ourselves that both negative and positive circumstances are allowed to drive us towards purpose. If we struggle in this aspect, then we must find ways to build our self-image. Resilience and perseverance. Purpose can be a source of strength in difficult times. It provides a reason to persevere when faced with challenges, acting as a source of resilience. Pursuing purpose with passion releases special hormones that help to strengthen us. Well-being and satisfaction. Research shows that having a purpose is linked to various aspects of well-being, including happiness, health, and longevity. Even our physical appearance has been made uniquely to fulfill our purpose. It gives a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. Best business in the world. Building a business aligned with life purpose is the best business to maximize the creative and imaginative ability of man. The highest level of performance is the imaginative state. At this level, man is at best in multiplying his talent to dominate in his domain. Uncovering purpose. Discovering one's purpose is an exploration everyone should make as early as possible. The irony is that the purpose of a man is hidden inside him by the Creator. The Creator did not only put purpose inside of him, but he also added abilities and all circumstances to make the purpose to be fulfilled. Imagine what it takes for Apple to manufacture the iPhone. Apple already put the ability to record good videos in the iPhone. Whether we use this ability or not does not dismiss the fact that it is already there. Some of the ways one can go on this exploration of uncovering purpose are as follows. Endowments. Your endowments are the blessings of God upon your life. They are the special gifts and abilities given to you naturally to fulfill your purpose. They include physical look, strength, beauty, mental ability, personality, and even circumstances of our conception in our mother's womb. Circumstances of the past, present, and future. God, as a master finisher and planner, has deliberately placed these endowments there for His own glory through us fulfilling our purpose. Even being alive and healthy is an endowment. We can start this exploration by carefully listing down every endowment. Gratitude. If we recognize that the endowments we listed are a gift we do not deserve, then it will be easy on this next exploration. Gratitude. Start by sincerely and wholeheartedly thanking God the Omnipotent for your endowments. An easier way to elicit profound gratitude is to look at what you have compared to others that lack what you have. For example, if you have a roof over your head, think of the homeless you see on the street. If you have food on your table, think of those in other parts of the world that are malnourished. If you cannot relate to starvation, do a search on YouTube on starvation. Spend some time on appreciating God for each one of the endowments you listed. Expectation. Now you are more conscious than before. that the endowments you have are unique to you, and they are blessings you did not work for. You are also conscious that they are not accidental or coincidental. They are meant to fulfill a service in humanity you do not know yet. Remember the popular adage, "To whom much is expected, much is given." Start praying and asking God to reveal His expectations to you. For example, if you have a good voice, a good question might be, who am I meant to serve with my voice? The who here refers to people, society, and systems. I like to just call it systems. The purpose of God for man is to influence the culture and philosophies of the kingdom of God upon the universe through man. He therefore gave each man some set of endowments to dominate this ideology in a unique system, called a domain. Therefore, when you ask for your purpose in line with this agenda, your purpose will be revealed to you. Service. If we know our purpose and we do not make up our mind to pursue it, nothing happens. A surrender to God of all our resources, gifts, time, energy, and wealth, to pursue our purpose to the fullest is the most important and potent service we can render to mankind and God. In this domain, we act, think, imagine, and do miracles like God. The service we render to humanity is a service to God. It is a partnership with God and the universe. God has subjected the universe for His purpose. So when we solve a problem in humanity in this partnership, we will be in obedience to universal principles that work in our favor. In no time, we begin to influence our world, system, with the ideology and culture of heaven. In this service, we maximize our potential, attract abundance, and enjoy every good thing we may ask, think, or imagine. Watch our videos on secret wisdom to get more understanding. Simple ways to relate with this exploration. Self-reflection. Discovering one's purpose often requires deep self-reflection. It involves identifying what is truly important, what brings joy, and where one's talents can meet the needs of others. What makes you angry? Have a self-reflection on what makes you angry most of the time. This is something that stirred an anger in you each time you are faced with it or remember it. It is something you always told yourself, it shouldn't be. It is something you give a question like, how come this problem is still existing? Or how come nobody ever found a solution to this? The truth is that problem is probably waiting for you for a solution. Experiences and passions. Life experiences and personal passions can lead to the discovery of purpose. Engaging in different activities and reflecting on what feels meaningful can provide insights into one's purpose. Alignment with values. Purpose is often aligned with personal values. Understanding one's core values can provide clues to one's purpose. Living with purpose. Intentional living. Once you know your life purpose, living with purpose means making choices that are intentional and that align with one's sense of purpose. It means being proactive rather than reactive, making decisions that lead to fulfillment. Impact on others. Purpose often involves making a positive impact on others, whether through one's career, hobbies, or relationships. Purpose-driven actions often aim to contribute to the greater good. Continual reassessment. As individuals grow and change, so too can their understanding of their purpose. Continual reassessment and alignment are necessary to ensure that one's actions remain connected to their evolving assignment related to one's purpose. Conclusion. Purpose is an integral part of the human experience. It is not just a destination, but a journey, continually shaped by what makes you angry, gives you dissatisfaction, unique experiences, values, and passions. Understanding and embracing one's purpose can lead to a more fulfilling and meaningful life. Thank you for joining us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to get our latest videos. Until next time, stay purpose-driven.